Hello friends, this question is from the test series number 6 in the sectors of analog and topic name is operational amplifier and its application. In the problem, we have a circuit based on the two op amps and we need to calculate the voltage gain V0 by Vs. We need to calculate the value of V0 by Vs. So now if you can take a look of this section of the second op amp, so you can see that the second op amp is basically act like a, or it is basically I can consider this as a inverting amplifier because non-inverting terminal is grounded and in the inverting terminal we have a voltage V0. So we know that the output voltage of this inverting amplifier, name this as a V dash. So my V dash will be equal to the minus RF by R1 in this case RF is R2, R1 is R1 into input voltage which is V0. It means that the output of the second op amp, the output of the second op amp of op amp 2 is equal to the minus V0 R2 by R1, right? This will be the output of my second op amp. So now if I may apply the virtual theorem, apply the virtual ground property in the op amp 1. So by the virtual ground property we know that voltage across the inverting terminal is equal to the voltage across the non-inverting terminal. So in the op amp 1, voltage across the inverting terminal is Vs, the voltage across the non-inverting terminal must be Vs. We already know the V dash and we know that input current of the op amp is 0. Okay, so this is the series network. So I can apply the voltage divider here. So my Vs will be equal to the my Vs will be equal to the minus or V dash times R4 by R3 plus R4, right? This is my V dash. I have applied the voltage divider property here, where my V dash is nothing but a minus R2 by R1. This is no minus. So finally my V dash will be minus R2 by R1 times V0 into R4 upon R4 plus R3. So I can write it down it as my minus V0 into R2 upon R1 times R4 by R3 plus R4 is basically my Vs. Or in other words, my V0 by Vs will be equal to minus R1 upon R2 times 1 plus R3 by R4. This will be my voltage gain. V0 by Vs, this is my voltage gain. So in this question, my correct option is option B. Minus R1 by R2, 1 plus R3 by R4. Option B is my answer. Thank you.